Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you where you get brackets and how you start using brackets to edit your HTML and CSS files. To get brackets, you go to their website, brackets.io. Once you're there, you click on this blue button that says download brackets. That'll download the file, then you just have to click on it and install it. Once you've installed it, you can search for it, brackets, open it, here we have brackets, and when you get open brackets for the first time, it'll have this getting started stuff in it. It's just like a web, like an introduction website that you can see, kind of like how everything works. Alright, so we're not going to worry too much about that. Before we start working with brackets, I'm just going to make some folders. So here's Windows Explorer, and everyone should have this. They should have, a web folder for their entire class, just like in school. And inside there, you should have one folder for projects and another for practice. And then whenever you start a new project or practice, you go into the right folder and you can make your, folder for each project or a folder for each practice, like that. I'm going to show you how to do that over here too. So in brackets, you can also do that. So the first thing I'm going to do over in brackets is open a folder. So I'm going to go to Documents, Web Design Class Projects, Documents, Web Design Class Projects, and select this folder. So now this is the projects folder. These are the same place. Now I can right click here and I can make a new folder here. Or I could right click over here and make a new folder here. Let's call this one Project 99. And then it pops up over here. So either way it works. And then inside Project 99 I can right click on that, make a folder, CSS. So if you go in here, hey, there's a CSS folder. Well, And then here's how you make files. So you go File, New, and we are going to save it. So save as, put it in Project 99, call this index.html. There it is over there, here it is over here. And I'm going to start out by copying and pasting some, just basic HTML code over here. So this is what you should start with whatever HTML page you're using. Alright, so it has the doc type and head section and the body section. Alright. And then let's make a CSS page. So now I'll do File, New again, and save as, put it in the CSS folder, whatever, .css, styles.css. Now you have the web page, the style sheet, kind of set up how it would be like in school. Here they are. Okay. Then of course you link them. So in case you guys forget how to do that, it's link, href, and it kind of helps you out, kind of like Dreamweaver does. And the rel, style sheet, all nice and the type is text.css. There you go. So now that's linked. Let's add some HTML to it so you can see some stuff. Here's a header. And I'll go over to the style sheet and I will do H1, color. Alright. Save all, just like in Dreamweaver. You can switch between files like this, or you can come up here and you can split them. You can side by side. So here we have the HTML and the CSS next to each other. or you could do up and down. So you could have one on top of the other one. That's nice. And that lets you like edit things. Body, color, yellow. That'll look spectacular, I'm sure. Alright, save all. So now we have the HTML, we have the CSS. Now how do you preview it in a browser? See this little like lightning bolt thing? You can click on that. And it pops up. Here it is. Wonderful. For some reason, let's see. Oh, I put color yellow instead of background color. There we go. And see how it automatically makes it yellow? It's kind of like connected. So here we go. And then like if you clicked on the H1, let me just put it over here. You click on the H1, it shows you where that is on the page. This is it highlighted. Like if you had another thing like a paragraph down here, whatever. Here's your paragraph. So if I click on the H1, that's highlighted. If I click on the paragraph, that's highlighted. That's kind of neat, I guess. And let's see, what else? That's about it. I mean, you edit your HTML, you edit your style sheet, you can have them open at the same time. You could have them open, you just flip between them without having them in the same screen. You can right click over here to make folders and files. I wouldn't make files this way. I would do file new. So you can do file new and then save it. You know, you type it in that way. I wouldn't do it. Over here, you just make folders. Or you can make folders, you know, the old-fashioned way over here. New folder, or it's up here somewhere, I'm sure. Another way to, anyway, so new folders. I guess I'm rambling on now. I'll let you get to it. Once you're done, of course, when you're ready to turn in, let's say, Project 99, right-click, send to the Textedit folder, and you turn that in. All right, guys, that'll be it.